YouTube, it's me, Lorraine. So you remember that I did the review on the Zury curly hair, that I said I got from the beauty supply store, and I paid $36 for it, and I got 2 bundles extra, so I ended up with 4 bundles, and because I bought 4, and I said to you that you got what you paid for. Now I installed this here in December the 25th, and I just wanted you to see after a month what the hair is looking like. Now it's pretty soft now because I actually just wet it with some water. Well, not really water. I used a mixture of this. It's called it's a contour. It's the contour combat curl. Yeah, it's kind of like an activator, so I combine this with a little kinky curly not today. It's a moisturizer, and along with some water, right? And then I put it in this, and I just like spritz. And then I use this comb, and I comb it out, get rid of the tangles, and then I use this too. It's like a tangle teaser, but I found it very effective. I use it to actually define the curls. And surprisingly, with this hair, like I said, it does tangle a lot. Like now it's not tangled because I actually just detangled it, but it does tangle. Like if I should like go to bed and I didn't like put it in like twister or anything like that, then in the morning it would be like a hot mess. But what I find surprising is that it doesn't shed. The only time hair will come out is like after when I comb it, and you can see this is what I got from what I just did. I don't know if you can see from what I just did here. Right, so as I said before, it's beauty supply here. You get what you pay for, but I think I got more than my money's worth. Oh, I also put this in there, which I find it's called the argan oil of Morocco. It's a penetrating oil, and I actually use this on it. So then I would want, when I wet it, then I would rub some of this on it, and I find that this actually makes the hair very soft. So I am about to take this out, and this is how I normally wear it every day to work. Like, one thing I like with it though is that once the curl is set, it stays for the entire day. It doesn't change. It stays. But once you like put it in a like twist or anything like that, then in the morning all the curls, they're gone. But once you saturate it again with water, it snaps right back. So all in all, it's not the best quality here, but I think I got a good run for my money, and I'm satisfied. It's cheap here, like I said. So that being said, I'm about to change this hair. I'm actually taking this out tomorrow, and I got some hair from off DY77, right? DY77, right? Because I said I wanted to put something else in, and what I got was it's called Brazilian curly, natural curly or something like that. So I ordered it on last Saturday, and I got this, I think the Tuesday, which was pretty good. It came in this DHL bag, and when you go in there, it's in this nice little thing, nice little bag, which I thought the presentation was pretty cool. I like that. So let's take a look at the hair. I bought 4 bundles. 2 14-inch. So this is a 14-inch. I don't know if you can see. I bought 2 14-inch and 2 12-inch. Yeah, it's just my initial thoughts on it. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the 14-inch looks like. So this is the 14-inch. It does look more like a number 2. Well, this is it's a natural color or whatever, but I think I'm gonna maybe dye it black. I like dark black hair, so I'm probably gonna dye this. It does have a off smell that I don't like. I do, however, like the curl pattern. Yeah, it's nice. Let me see if I'm getting shedding. I got just one little strand. I don't know if you can. It's nothing much to talk about. I don't even think you can see that, but so this is it. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put this in myself, and it's pretty soft. I like how soft it is. This is the bundle. I don't know if you can see. I'm not a hair expert, so I can't tell you if this is a lot or not. And it says standard grade virgin hair. This is what it says. Standard. Oh, can you see that? It says standard hair, virgin hair, and it's 14-inch, right? So this is what I am going to be putting in. Like I said, I don't like the smell. I'm hoping that when I co-wash it, then it will smell a little better. But I'm kind of just like experimenting with hair right now, so I will do a video to let you see what it looks like after I've actually installed it. Yeah, and also I got this from my friend. She asked me to buy it, and hers is called the Royal Grade Virgin Hair. See? Royal Grade Virgin Hair. I don't know if you can see that. And she bought all 12 inch. So I'm just gonna open it so you can see. I think hers is like the kinky curly. So this is what it looks like. It's a kinky curly. It does have the same smell, but yeah, this is 12 inch. So I'm gonna be installing this for her. She doesn't like too much of a long hair, so that's why she's getting a 12. But I think this is pretty nice. It does look like natural hair, really. I like this. But I've always been wearing curly hair, so that's why I got that one, because I thought maybe a change would be good for me. So anyway, that's my little take on my DY77 here. I will let you know how it turned out, the installation process. And like I said, this is the first time for me really, doing videos and installing hair. So if you like this video, you'd like to see more videos on this, especially my Jamaican friends. Hi! Yeah, I'm from the beautiful island of Jamaica, the beautiful city of Montego Bay. So shout out to all my Montegonians. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and share.